Okay, so I'm going to do my gold analysis for the week. Clearly, we're all expecting something incredible to happen with world events as they are right now, but I thought that I would do a purely technical breakdown of what's going on with gold, and we'll just see what happens. I'm pretty sure that most people are expecting gold to just take off and go way past all-time highs up to the 6,000 mark again. But let's look at the technicals and see what we've got on the chart. So at the moment, you'll see this is the daily chart. I have all my different levels laid out there. I'm going to leave these things on. I doubt seriously we're going to get down there anytime soon, but I'm going to leave these things on. This is my 50 EMA. I like price to be above the EMA for buys, below the EMA for sells. The most important things that I have at the moment is my previous day low, which is here at 5181.2, and then my previous day high, which we closed on Friday at 5301.8. So we've been moving in an uptrend clearly since this big drop that we had finished on the 2nd of February. We've been going higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, off we go. And no doubt with this push up, the market's been anticipating world events, I would say. Although, gold has been showing quite clearly from this drop that we're still in a very bullish phase right from a long time ago. So I'm just going to hide my drawings for a moment so we can see that. So gold has actually been trending very strongly bullish since goodness knows when. We had a bit of a flat period here from April last year to August, and then it's just continually going higher and higher with a few pullbacks here, one in October, and then one in the end of December, and then one in February, but we're still going very strongly bullish. All right, so we're going to go down to the 4-hour now. I'll put my lines back on here. I'm going to take these ones off and we'll talk about them in a minute. Talk about what they are and why I've got them there. You'll be able to see them later. I have got alarms on my previous day low and my previous day high so that I can see or hear when price moves above or below them. As you can see, we're very close, clearly, because it was the previous day high. There, we will see where it goes after that. The EMA has been quite flat since the beginning of February on the 4-hour, but like I said, the market seems to be anticipating what was happening this weekend, and the EMA has started to push higher, which shows that there's a very bullish sentiment in the market. If we go down to the 1-hour now, what we can see happening here is I have this area marked down here. On the daily, in that area, we've gapped a couple of times. There's a balanced price range there. I've got a do not trade zone. We've been rotating around that 5,000 mark. Like I said, I doubt seriously we're going to end up back down there, but I'm going to leave that on my chart because you just never know, right? It's clearly a very strong pull. The price pulls to that nice round number. There's lots of confluences in there about why price pulls to that. We've done a little liquidity sweep one last time before we've moved off away from that. And then we've danced around this level, 5181. It's a support line. You can see it's resistance. It's also bounced along it, the support, so many times. So very significant level there. But Friday, we pushed away again up to that level there of 5299, nearly 3,000. So, 5,300. So we'll see how we get first thing on Monday morning. Let me move down to the next level. 30-minute, nothing much more there, to be honest with you. I've got these marked out, but they will become clear on the 15-minute and the 1 minute. So EMA is trending very highly. We've got this strong impulse up here. It's pulled back a little bit, impulsed again, pulled back a little bit, pushed away. Let me go down to the 3 minute. I often, I either put my execution on the 3 minute or the 1 minute. For now, I have put most of my markups on the 3 minute. I actually have a demand zone here. I've got a demand zone here. Demand zone is the last indecision candle before an impulse away. Last indecision candle before an impulse away. They're zones where if price does not push up above that previous day high, it's likely to come down to one of those zones before the previous day low. I've got this demand zone here as well. So like I've said, it's very interesting. We'll wait and see what happens at market open tomorrow. No doubt there'll be lots of volatility. So be careful, don't do anything silly, just wait and see how price plays out, and we'll take it from there. But these demand zones, if price is not going to go bullish and just straight for the sky and pull back, these are zones where it could pull back to. I just wanted to note that we've got liquidity here. We've got basically equal lows here, and we've got this beautiful little push down to that and then push straight away from that. So we've got liquidity here as well. So price could come down, blast through that demand zone, grab a bit more liquidity and push back up again. But yes, we'll just have to see. But they're the things that I've got marked on my chart. And we'll see what happens when market opens tomorrow.